In the vibrant worlds of coral reefs, seagrass meadows, and shallow coastal waters lives one of the ocean's most unusual and enchanting creatures, the seahorse. With its distinctive horse-like head, an upright posture that seems to defy gravity, and slow, deliberate movements, the seahorse challenges everything we think we know about fish. These fascinating animals are a testament to nature's boundless creativity, hiding in plain sight with a lifestyle as unique as their appearance. Join us as we dive into the mysterious world of the seahorse, exploring its life, its struggles, and its many surprises. Seahorses are found in shallow tropical and temperate waters all around the globe. They aren't creatures of the deep, open ocean. Instead, they prefer the complex, structured environments of seagrass beds, mangrove forests, vibrant coral reefs, and calm estuaries. These habitats provide the perfect combination of food and shelter. Here, they can use their flexible tails to anchor themselves to seagrass blades, coral branches, or other stationary objects. This allows them to remain steady in currents while they wait for prey or hide from danger. Because most species live so close to shore, their homes are especially vulnerable to human activities like coastal development and pollution, putting them on the front lines of marine conservation. Seahorses belong to the genus Hippocampus, which comes from the ancient Greek words for horse and sea monster. A quick look reveals they are not your typical fish. Instead of scales, their bodies are covered in a series of bony plates, like a suit of armor. They have long, elegant snouts designed for a very specific way of eating, and a curled, prehensile tail that functions almost like a monkey's, allowing them to grasp onto their Unlike most fish that swim horizontally, seahorses maintain a graceful upright posture. Propulsion comes from a small, rapidly fluttering dorsal fin on their back, while tiny pectoral fins near their head are used for steering. This unique anatomy makes them truly stand out in the animal kingdom. When it comes to movement, seahorses are notoriously poor swimmers. That tiny dorsal fin beats up to 50 times per second, but it doesn't provide much speed. This makes them vulnerable in open water, so they rely on other strategies for survival. Their primary defense is camouflage. Many species are masters of disguise, able to change their color and even grow skin filaments to perfectly match their environment, whether it's a bright yellow sponge or a piece of drab seaweed. Their prehensile tail is their lifeline, acting as an anchor that allows them to hold on tight to seagrass or coral fronds. This way, they can remain perfectly still, hidden from predators and ready to ambush unsuspecting prey that drifts by on the current. Seahorses are patient and effective ambush predators. They stay motionless, often for long periods, waiting for the right moment to strike. Their diet consists of tiny marine life, like copepods, small crustaceans, and other planktonic organisms. When prey comes within range, the seahorse uses its long snout like a pipe. In a lightning-fast motion, it rapidly sucks the food into its mouth. What's truly incredible is their feeding habits are driven by a unique digestive system, or rather, a lack of one. Seahorses don't have stomachs, so food passes through their bodies very quickly. To get enough nutrients, they must eat almost constantly, sometimes consuming thousands of individual prey items every single day. Perhaps the most remarkable thing about seahorses is their unique approach to reproduction. In a complete role reversal from what we see in most of the animal kingdom, it's the male seahorse that becomes pregnant. The process begins with a courtship dance, after which the female transfers her eggs into a specialized brood pouch on the male's abdomen. The male then fertilizes the eggs inside the pouch. This pouch acts like a womb, providing oxygen, nutrients, and protection for the developing embryos. After a gestation period that can last for a few weeks, the male goes into labor, contracting his body to expel dozens, sometimes even hundreds, of fully formed miniature seahorses into the water column. These tiny babies are independent from birth and must fend for themselves immediately. Beyond their amazing reproductive biology, seahorses also exhibit fascinating social behaviors. Many species are known to form monogamous pair bonds, a rare trait among fish. Some pairs may stay together for an entire breeding season, or even for several years. They reinforce this bond through daily greeting rituals. Each morning the pair will come together to perform a synchronized dance, changing colors and twirling around each other for several minutes. These elaborate displays are not just for show. They help strengthen the couple's bond and synchronize their reproductive cycles, ensuring that the female's eggs are ready for transfer, precisely when the male's pouch has recovered from the previous brood. With their bony armor and incredible camouflage, adult seahorses have few natural predators. Most fish tend to avoid them. However, they are not entirely safe. Crabs, rheas, and some larger fish have been known to prey on them, especially if they are caught out in the open. Their main defense strategy is simply to not be seen. By blending seamlessly into their surroundings and remaining perfectly still, they can avoid detection by both predators and prey. For the tiny, newly born seahorses, the world is a much more dangerous place, and only a very small fraction will survive to adulthood. Unfortunately, seahorses face significant threats from human activities. Their coastal habitats are being destroyed by pollution, dredging, and coastal development. Climate change is also altering the seagrass beds and coral reefs they depend on. On top of seahorses are victims of the illegal wildlife trade. Millions are captured each year to be used in traditional medicine, sold as curios or kept in aquariums, a practice for which they are poorly suited. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these fragile creatures. This includes establishing marine protected areas, working to restore their habitats, and promoting sustainable fishing practices to reduce accidental bycatch. Their unique biology, from male pregnancy to their graceful courtship dances, captures our imagination and deepens our appreciation for the natural world. Protecting their fragile coastal habitats is crucial, not just for the survival of the seahorses, but for the health of the entire marine ecosystem that depends on them. By safeguarding these environments, we ensure that future generations will also have the chance to marvel at these extraordinary creatures. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more journeys into the lives of Earth's most amazing animals.